Welcome back to my home buyer series. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. Today we're going to talk about the vital role of home inspections and what to know and to look for. Before we get started, if you could, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can be notified when new videos come out. Purchasing a home is one of the most significant investments you'll ever make, and it's essential to ensure that you're making a sound investment. That's where home inspections come in. In this video, we'll explore the importance of home inspections and provide valuable insights into what to look for during the inspection process to make an informed decision about your potential new home. Many people ask, why are home inspections important? Home inspections are critical in the home buying process for several reasons. First, they uncover hidden issues. Home inspectors are trained to identify problems that may not be evident during a casual walkthrough. They can discover hidden issues that could lead to costly repairs or safety concerns. Next, they give you negotiation power. Inspection reports provide valuable information that can be used in negotiations. If significant issues are discovered, you can request repairs, price adjustments, or even choose to walk away from the deal. These are all strong points of leverage. They give you peace of mind. A thorough home inspection offers peace of mind knowing that you're making an informed decision about the condition of the property. What to look for during a home inspection? During a home inspection, a qualified inspector will thoroughly examine the property. Here's what you should focus on. Structural integrity. Look for signs of cracks, settling, or water damage. Small cracks can be normal. Large ones you'll need to dig a little bit deeper on. You want to look at the roof. Inspect for damage or missing shingles, leaks, or even sagging. Look at the walls and the ceilings. Check for cracks, water stains, or signs of structural issues. When you're looking at the floors, you're going to look for unevenness or damage to the flooring materials. Then there's the electrical system. Ensure the electrical panels are in good condition and up to code. You want to look at the wiring. You want to look for exposed or outdated wiring and outlets. Circuit breakers, check for signs of overloading or wear. Plumbing, you're going to inspect for leaks, rust, corrosion in the pipes. The water heater, same thing, corrosion on the water heater. Ensure it's in good working order and properly vented. Drains, check for proper drainage or signs of blockages. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. With your furnace, you're going to ensure it's in good condition and regularly serviced. Your air conditioner, the inspector will check for the splits and any signs of malfunction. Here in Arizona, of course, that's a big one. Ventilation, ensure the proper ventilation in the attics and the crawl spaces. On the outside of the home, you're going to examine for damage, rot, or signs of insect infestation. You want to look at windows and doors and ensure they're properly sealed and functional. You're going to look at your gutters and your downspouts and check for clogs or damage. And then on the inside, you want to look at the appliances and make sure all the appliances are in working order. Check your plumbing fixtures and check for leaks with your faucets, toilets, and sinks. Your electrical outlets and switches, make sure they're operational and safe. You don't want exposed wiring. Safety concerns, you want to make sure there's smoke detectors present and functional, and carbon monoxide detectors are installed where they need to be installed. And you could do radon testing if you wanted to take it a step further, if it's prevalent in your area. Attic and crawl spaces, you're going to check for insulation, ventilation, signs of water damage, or even pests. And you want to inspect for proper sealing to prevent drafts and heat loss from the attic space. In the end, a comprehensive home inspection is a vital part of the home buying process. It helps you uncover potential issues, gives you negotiation power, and provides peace of mind. By focusing on structural integrity, electrical and plumbing systems, HVAC, exterior, interior, and safety concerns, you can ensure that your potential new home meets your expectations and is safe and sound for your future. Remember that a well-informed decision can lead to many years of happiness in your new home. Again, I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. If you didn't already, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you so much for watching my video on home inspections. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.